Today guys, we have cool Discord reward. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, check my playlist UFO187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides, similar like this. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, scroll here down and you will see Black Phone 2 Puzzle Quest. Claim 700 Discord Orbs. Just launch this quest in Discord and you will see like this. Click here start. Okay guys, let's play this game. I don't know where to put this sound down. I think you hear me. Okay guys, first pick this lamp. Flashlight, use it. Okay guys, move forward. Move to phone booth. And to this. Wake up, answer the call.
What do you think happens when you die?
What the f... Okay. Pick this. Okay. Pick flashlight. Okay. What the... Okay. What is this? Pick this also. Okay. We try to call this number 3 2 5 9 7. Okay. Okay, we got here key. Use key. Try to open. Okay. Open it. Okay. What is this? Okay. Try lock number like 36. Okay. What? Let's take this. Let's take this. Move out. Move it to this. Collect this. Save. Collect this. Save. Can we move right, please? Okay, go back. Okay. Collect this. Okay. We have here more. Collect this. This. And we need one more. We need one more. Just wait a second. Move back. Where is one more? Okay, I see them. Take it. Collector. Okay, bro. Okay, let's move to this phone booth. And try random numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 9s. Okay, let's see what we get, or nothing, bro. What we get, bro? Nothing. Move inside. Okay, 3 2 4 3 2 3. Wait a second, man. 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, okay, I get something. Okay, 2 3 4 6 8. Okay, okay. What is this? A balloon. Okay, we see this. The grabber is coming. Okay, exit booth. What is this? Alpine Lake. Okay, we go to balloon. Nothing is here. Okay, we need to hurry up, guys. Okay, what is this? It's a wallet. Can we open it, please? We need to hurry up, bro. Can we open it, please? Oh my man. Okay, thank you. What is this? Coin. Okay, take. Okay, move back. We have this coin. I try this. Okay, where to put this coin, bro? Okay, just press these coins, guys. Above. No, just take this. Okay, okay, we have here something. We have here something, bro. I try to call this number 3, 3, 8, 8, 8. Okay, answer the call.
You think that our story was over?
It's... Did we finish it, bro?
People know that death is just a word.
It's just a word, bro. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? What is this, bro? We finished this, I think. Okay, go to discover. I don't know, bro. It's over or what? Oh, what is this, bro? Timer. Okay. Okay, quest complete, bro. This is so amazing, bro. 7 minutes. Oof. Move to discover and get 700 Discord orbs. That's it all, guys, for this video. I think you love it. If you love it, share with your friend, and I see you in the next video, guys.